Okay, I need to record this. I need to share my screen, and hope this Saturday will be fun. Let we have fun. All right, thank you very much. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to present Cloud9, which a lot of people are comfortable with. So I was having a lot of problem when I opened Python application, then I tried to code. I was having a lot of issues, and myself, if I have a Python application open like version 3.10, so I want to do some small, let me take some small function like x plus y equal mod 2. If x equal 2 and y equal 3. So now bam. You see, when I'm trying to compute a function like this, a modulus function like this, it kept giving me a syntax error. And I was like, damn, what the heck I'm dealing with. So it was just giving me frustration. And I was looking for a solution. I will tell you guys, you need to talk with a lot of people. You need to ask them a lot of questions, and you need to have a lot of fun. So a friend of me, I was asking him a question about that, and he said, "Oh no, don't waste your time on this. Amazon have a platform which help to, not dealing with those things. The platform is great, and go to check it out." So I went to Cloud9 and started working on that Cloud9. So I find it something very interesting, and I wanted to try just to try, and here it is. All right, we are in the Amazon console, and we have services. So you go to services. If you don't see your service, among your services, if you don't see your Cloud9, it's okay. Maybe it's in the compute system. No. So coding, lambda function, light cell, that is good. That is coding system. Maybe you will find it there, but I'm not saying it's 100% accurate that you can find it out there. I know that light cell is a coding platform also. It helps, to start some small code project, but I'm not dealing with that. So I'm trying to go to Cloud9, and I don't want to spend time on looking straight. I go in the search bar, I type Cloud9, and it gave me Cloud9. All right, so from Cloud9, so as what he said, the definition, at the Cloud IDE for writing, running, and debugging code, which is very good, interesting. So you click on that, open it. Let me open it. All right. Open our Cloud9. It asks you to create your new environment. But here you don't, for people who already have the project on Cloud9, you don't need to create another environment. You can just use your preview project IDE to start your code. But here I detect my former project, my preview project, and I want to create a new project on the cloud environment. So they ask me for name, you just put which name? Let me put Saturday project. You just put the Saturday project. Oh, what did I say? Saturday project. And description, good coffee. I like coffee. I'm sorry saying coffee. I like it. So next step, make sure that you create in the new EC2 instance. For people who already create an instance EC2, so you just attach it with your Cloud9 environment. So we keep it, create a new one or generate a new one, Now, instance type, you need to choose this one, which free tier. For disclaimer, I'm not a specialist or I'm not an advisor. I don't want anybody to go to click on here and now you start having billing notification and a lot of money be charging on your account and start blaming me. So I want to make sure I'm clear on it. I'm not an advisor. I'm just doing this for just fun. Don't take it very serious. And I'm not taking anything responsible here. All right, it's just for educational, just free mind and just enjoying. All right, so we take two micro, a gig, RAM, and one vCPU. And now we go into the platform. I'm using Linux. I'm telling you, beginning, I hate Linux. When somebody says Linux, I hate it. I don't like bash scripting. I don't like remember some code, a lot of functionality of Linux. But I will tell you, after passing my Linux Plus exam, I was like, wow, this is a fantastic thing ever. So it's great, and I did enjoy it, so now I become fan of Linux because it's everywhere. So we pick Amazon Linux too. It also, the second one is a Linux, Amazon management image or whatever, I don't take that one. I just take the recommending one. I hope it will be free. AIM role, you don't need you can attach it, but it's not necessary. We just keep the Cloud9 environment. And now the remaining thing, you just leave it for default. And now go to the next step. Here, leave everything default. It's just summary. You don't need it's just a review. You just create your environment. And you're good. And you're good. All right, happy coding. We are going to start coding. I like coding. I did a lot when I was working on my master program, and joyful. Beginning can be intimidating, but when you know what you are doing and the focus learning, everything becomes fun, All right, Cloud9 might take time. I understand that because it has a lot of libraries and you want to be patient on it. Just have some coffee and wait for it to open. Oh, sorry, yummy. It's morning, very early morning. I just want to share some educational thing with you guys. That's it. I like those stuff. All right, connecting with our EC2, and we still want to be patient. Or maybe we need some small video. All right. Maybe we need some small video. Oh, let me see. Some small YouTube video. Sorry. We need some small YouTube video. All right, I have Cloud9 open. Let me see. Okay, Cloud9 is open. What we need to do is, I will show you. Relaxing. Let me take a this music, relief music. All right. Let me take this music and we will have some else. Let me tell you this. That's all right. Yeah, tablet. All right. Yeah. You can see this. It will give information. You just read. We want a coding. So what you need to do is okay. You can project and see what you're doing. You don't want to stay because you have to code. People do the oh my God, work. Okay, because it started from you don't need to go on left. You see readme.md. You double click it. Just click one time. Double click to open. So here's the code. Somebody write this code. I hope Cloud developing engineer. like hey, I like they learn it, they earn it, they enjoy doing it. So let them run the code, how it to run. So here is what I'm saying. Run it with C++, Go, Java, Node.js, PHP. That one is dealing with, you know, Python 2, Python 3. I like Python 3 because it's the most version. Ruby, I never tried on. Shell, command. That is a Linux. If you're dealing with Bash or script, you choose those three. The shell command script, I never hear. Look, what I do enjoy on this is you don't need a type cloud, you don't need a type clear function to clear the code. Great. You just highlight it and tap backspace, and you're good. So the code I want to run here is a code what is generating the CPU utilization, and it's going to show you the memory use, the free memory, the total memory, which is great. Here is this code here. I imported from operating system, generated from another computer, where it give me the total CPU 925, total use 591, the free is 334, the share is 14, the buffer is 30, the cache is 355. Let me tell you why this project is important. It's important because for cloud support engineer, somebody who is helping customers, the customer say, okay, my system is running very slow. How can you fix it? If you have this information, you know, the information will help you understand that total cache is not a lot. 355 on cache file, that is too much. You just want to clear them. So to leave the total free space big so that the system can run, you know. So this information is good, and we want to run the code. I'm seeing some error on this code already. So for example, statement, Python statement. You can leave it this way, but you want to tell Python, if you want to run it with Python, you want to tell the system that here is a statement. It's not just it's not the code. It's just a statement, a sentence that I wrote. Okay, so you put those things on those statements to tell Python that get my statement, it's a statement or it's somebody's statement. So just consider it that way. Here, it's not my statement. I'm just telling you example. That's it. I'm just telling you if you want to put a statement in Python, please put those things so it help you. It help the system to understand that you're trying to make a statement. All right. I can run the code. I'm still seeing some error on this code. I will run it. If it does not give me error, it's good. If it give me error, I will fix those problems. All right. Let me run it. Run it with Python 3. Syntax error. So it's missing parentheses and a call print. So call print, that will be the last statement here. So summary. All right, we run it again, but I hope it is. All right, it give me another error on the total memory. So that way I automatically know that I'm not 9. I automatically know that the problem is on all print statement. All print statement. So the use memory also need to be correct. I correct that one. I correct this one here. I correct the free memory because I don't want to leave it that way. The system is refusing to accept. So now I highlight all my code. I run it again. I hope this time it will work out. Bam. Good. Holy God. You see? Now the code is working perfectly. The summary total memory, we have 1470. Total use memory 333. Free memory is A48. As I say, this information help you to make a decision to help a customer. So that means we have like if we have free memory, we have like A48. It's enough. I mean, it's good. But if we can increase it. Oh, let me tell you another thing, good thing. We can attach this project with the Cloud Shell. Oh no, the Cloud Watch, which a metric system, it pop-up notification when a memory reaches certain amount. That way, it sends notifications to the customer that his memory reaches certain amount. And if he need to add more memory or he need to clear some cache to make it work smooth. Also, not only Cloud Watch, you can attach it with CloudTrail. For people who know CloudTrail, it's a mechanism, AWS mechanism system which help to track memory utilization and some activity. That is a good project. It's basic code, but let me tell you, this code, you can make it a biggest project. For people who just I want to just sleep, I don't need to be wondering that my system will be terminated because of my user memory, because of my free memory, or my system, my buffers will have problem. I will have problem with libraries. You just need a notification. That's it. There is something called MSPS, which is a SMS notification system. That one also, you can attach it with this project. And it's a good project for customers to have those notifications. Fantastic. Run it again, maybe we'll give another value. To finish this, let me tell you something. Very interesting thing I saw here. A function, index of capital. A function called index of capital. This is good. It helps you to track different value inside your CPU. And you see the formula of this function here? T index. The memory, you take the entire memory, you multiply it by the index. Now you choose 14 characters. You take off 4 characters, those characters which are not necessary in the system. So 14 minus, you add those 14 characters to the total memory, and now you subtract by the 4 you don't necessarily need. So that means you add in 10 characters in the total memory to help the function to track your memory system. How wonderful is this life? Science, technology, engineering, very, very good. Very, very fantastic. I mean, it's fantastic. And we like it. All right, I will stop here. I don't want to waste your time. It's Saturday. This was a small project. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.